Hi, I'm Dr. Leo Stouter, and this is Anatomy on the Beach. So let's look at the inside of the skull. We take off the top of the skull, and those are going to be our two parietal bones. You remember that anteriorly we have our frontal bone. So we're going to be taking off the skull, and also make sure that you remember the posterior is going to be our occipital bone. Now we take off the skull, and we look inside, and we see that we have this shaped bone that looks just like a butterfly. That's called the sphenoid. The sphenoid has within it the sella turcica, where the pituitary gland sits. Also, the sphenoid has the canal where we are able to see, called the optic canal. The optic canal will come out and actually cross right at the sella turcica. So we know if a person has a problem with their pituitary gland, such as a tumor, then there may be a problem with their vision as well, because the optic nerve crosses right over the sella turcica. Also, when we look inside, we can see that we have a heart-shaped bone, and this bone is called the ethmoid. The ethmoid is going to be right over the nose. So therefore the ethmoid is going to be assisting the ethmoid then is going to be assisting in our ability to smell, being right over the nose as it is. We also have the big hole that's going to be in our occipital bone called the famous foramen magnum.